Welcome. This is an introduction of basic trigonometry. All of these topics need to be automatic in order to understand the rest of trigonometry. Starting off with Pythagorean theorem. You can see this is a right triangle with sides A, B, and C. This symbol denotes it is a right triangle. It means 90 degrees. So it turns out a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. The proof is not necessarily needed to be known, but if interested, I would check out some other videos. In this example, we have a right triangle with side lengths 2, 1, and x. We need to solve for x using Pythagorean theorem. Pause the video and try it on your own first. Let's start off with the equation a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Since a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and then c is equal to x. That means 4 plus 1 is equal to x squared. That means 5 equals x squared. Take the square root of 5, meaning x is equal to the square root of 5. In this example, we have a right triangle with side lengths x, 4, and 10. Once again, we need to use Pythagorean theorem. Pause the video and try it on your own first. Alright, start off with a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a is equal to x, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 10. Now, you have to move things around, so x squared is equal to 10 squared minus 4 squared. So x squared equals 100 minus 16. So then x squared equals 84. Take the square root. X is equal to the square root of 84. You still have to simplify it further because 84 can be factored out more. So square root of 84 is equal to the square root of 4 times 21. You get this through perfect square factorization, where you go through the perfect squares. Because of this, you can take out the 4 and move it outside. So this now becomes x is equal to 2 square root 21. The next important topic to understand is special right triangles. These are necessary to understand later topics. So the first triangle we have here is a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So the side opposite of 30 degrees has a length of, let's call it x. So that means that the hypotenuse has a length of 2x. And the side opposite of 60 degrees has a length of x square root 3. And now let's move over to this 45, 45, 90 triangle. So all it is it's going to be x and x for the legs, and then for the hypotenuse it's going to have a length of x square root 2. Let's move down to this example down here. You can't tell what the angles are right away, but you can see that the leg is half of the hypotenuse. So you can assume it's going to be a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Based off that, x is going to be equal to 5. Because now we know this is going to be 30 degrees. And this will be 60 degrees. So looking up here at our example, we can tell alpha is going to be x square root 3. And since x is equal to 5, alpha is equal to 5 square root 3. The next special right triangle that you don't really need to know, but it's a nice thing that you can know, is the pi-algorithm triples. So this is just one of them. It's really probably the only one you need to know, which is 3, 4, and 5. Pi-algorithm triple is basically just a right triangle where the lengths are whole numbers. The next pi-algorithm triple is 5, 12, 13, but you truly do not need to know this.